Looking for the perfect electric scooter for commuting or leisure? Whether you're navigating city streets or taking an adventurous ride, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best adult electric scooters that offer power, comfort, and innovation. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the Hezzo HS-04 Pro adult electric scooter. The Hezzo HS-04 Pro is a sleek and efficient adult electric scooter designed for modern urban commuting. With its 36V 350W motor and 10.4Ah battery, it offers a balance of power and endurance, making it ideal for daily rides. Equipped with 8.5-inch tires, the scooter ensures stability and comfort on various terrains. Its self-balancing technology enhances safety, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders. The foldable design adds convenience, allowing easy storage and portability, whether at home, work, or on public transport. A standout feature of the Hezzo HS-04 Pro is its smart app integration, which provides real-time riding statistics, battery status, and customizable settings for a personalized experience. This connectivity enhances the user experience by offering greater control and insights into the scooter's performance. Available from EU and US warehouses, the HS-04 Pro comes with free shipping, ensuring quick delivery to a wide range of customers. Whether for commuting or leisure, this electric scooter combines style, functionality, and smart features, making it a reliable choice for urban mobility. Number 4 is the Aovopro ES Max adult electric scooter. The Aovopro ES Max adult electric scooter is a cutting-edge mobility solution designed for comfort, convenience, and performance. Featuring 10-inch air tires with high-tech self-seal material, this scooter ensures a hassle-free ride by automatically repairing and sealing any punctures, eliminating the worry of flat tires. Equipped with a dual braking system, including a front drum brake and a rear electric brake, the ES Max offers a responsive and safe stopping experience. The fully waterproof body design enhances durability, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Users can also benefit from the speed limit setting feature, allowing them to adjust speed preferences for a controlled and customized ride. The scooter includes an app lock function, adding an extra layer of security by preventing unauthorized use. With a lightweight build of just 18.5 and a quick 3-second folding mechanism, portability is effortless, making it an excellent choice for urban commuting. Despite its light frame, the scooter boasts a robust aluminum alloy body, supporting a maximum load of 120 kg while maintaining high durability. Powering the ES Max is a strong 500W motor, capable of handling steep inclines with a climbing range of up to 30 degrees. The sine wave motherboard ensures smooth acceleration and braking, distinguishing it from traditional square wave models for a safer and more refined riding experience. The scooter's functionality is further enhanced by an intuitive app and a colorful LCD display, providing real-time speed, battery, and mileage information. Additional smart features include cruise control, zero and non-zero start options, automatic shutdown time settings, and an easily accessible metal bell for clear alerts. Double suspension ensures a comfortable ride without the need for inflation, preventing punctures while delivering superior stability. With a sleek design available in black and white, the Aovopro ES Max seamlessly combines practicality, innovation, and style, making it a top choice for modern commuters seeking a reliable and intelligent electric scooter. Coming in at number 3 is the Mankeel MX-14 adult electric scooter. The Mankeel MX-14 adult electric scooter is designed for modern commuters, students, and families seeking a smooth and efficient way to travel. With its powerful 800W brushless motor, this scooter delivers a fast and effortless riding experience, making daily commutes, shopping trips, and even deliveries more convenient. Featuring a precise design, the Mankeel MX-14 ensures a comfortable and enjoyable ride. The front and rear dual shock absorbers, coupled with a dual damping system, allow it to handle various road conditions with ease, ensuring stability even on bumpy surfaces. This makes it an excellent choice for navigating city streets or enjoying scenic routes with confidence. The scooter is equipped with a high-brightness LED headlight, complete with a dynamic light band and running lights, providing excellent visibility for nighttime rides. The colorful ambient lighting enhances its modern aesthetics while adding a touch of style and safety. One of the standout features of the Mankeel MX-14 is its impressive true range of 60 km. In sport mode, It maintains a high-speed performance while covering long distances, making it ideal for extended commutes or leisure rides. Whether it's getting to work, running errands, or taking a relaxing trip, this scooter is built to handle it all effortlessly. Combining performance, comfort, and style, the Mankeel MX-14 offers an exceptional riding experience tailored to urban mobility needs. Its robust motor, superior shock absorption, and stylish lighting features make it a reliable and eye-catching choice for anyone looking to travel freely and efficiently. Number 2 is the Emanba L10 Pro Adult Electric Scooter. The Emanba L10 Pro Adult Electric Scooter redefines urban mobility with its high-performance design and advanced features. Built for both efficiency and durability, this scooter is powered by a high-efficiency concentrated lithium battery. The lithium power system ensures a safe, long-lasting ride with reliable endurance, making it an excellent choice for everyday commuting and leisure rides. Safety is a top priority in the Emanba L10 Pro, featuring a sophisticated braking system. The front and rear disc brakes, along with the EABS anti-lock electric brake and rear foot brake, work together seamlessly to provide a quick response and efficient braking. The double-hand grip brake system significantly shortens braking distance, ensuring safer rides in all conditions. One of the standout aspects of this scooter is its 30 climbing angle capability. Whether navigating steep inclines, hilly roads, or uneven terrain, the powerful motor provides an SUV-like performance within the electric scooter category. This ensures smooth acceleration and stability even on challenging surfaces such as sandy roads. Rider visibility and communication with pedestrians and other road users are enhanced by a pedestrian indicator, right and left turning lights, brake light, and rear light. These features contribute to a safer and more informed riding experience, making urban commuting more secure. The Emanba L10 Pro also comes equipped with an HD LED dashboard, displaying real-time power levels and speed at a glance. This allows riders to stay informed about their scooter's status, ensuring better control and efficiency throughout the ride. Convenience is another highlight of this scooter, thanks to its upgraded folding automatic lock design. Featuring a car-level folding structure with a safety lock, the scooter is designed for stability and ease of use. With just one click, one buckle, and one press, riders can fold the scooter effortlessly for storage or transport, solving the common challenges of handling and portability. Designed for modern riders seeking a blend of power, safety, and convenience, the Emanba L10 Pro Adult Electric Scooter delivers a high-performance experience suitable for both city commutes and adventurous rides. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Arwibon GT08 Adult Electric Scooter. The Arwibon GT08 Adult Electric Scooter is designed to deliver a powerful and thrilling riding experience while ensuring safety and stability. Built with high-performance features, this scooter is a top choice for those seeking speed, durability, and advanced technology. Equipped with a 5600W high-efficiency brushless motor, the GT8 provides incredible power for climbing steep inclines and reaching impressive speeds. Whether navigating city streets or tackling rugged terrain, this motor ensures a smooth and responsive ride. Complementing its powerful motor is the 60V27A high-quality lithium battery, offering an extended range and enhanced durability for longer journeys without frequent recharges. The GT8 is engineered for stability and control. Its hydraulic shock absorbers effectively reduce the impact of uneven surfaces, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough terrain. Additionally, 11-inch off-road tires provide superior traction and support, allowing riders to tackle various road conditions with confidence. Safety is a priority in the GT8's design. Featuring motorcycle-level braking technology, this scooter significantly shortens braking response time, improving rider security in various environments. The advanced braking system enhances control, ensuring precise stops even at high speeds. Enhancing user convenience, the GT8 comes with an intuitive button display, offering clear instructions and easy access to essential vehicle functions. This feature allows riders to monitor performance metrics and adjust settings effortlessly. The Arwibon GT8 Adult Electric Scooter combines power, safety, and advanced features, making it a reliable and high-performance option for electric scooter enthusiasts. Whether for daily commuting or adventurous rides, the GT8 stands out as a robust and efficient choice.